Hi, I'm Kurt from Kurt's Auto, and what a year 2025 has been. Not only was this my 25th wedding anniversary and my youngest daughter graduated high school, Kurt's Auto actually turned 25 years old this year too. And I spent the majority of the year traveling with my kids on tons of different car adventures. The year started off at Indy with Cletus and Cars event where I took my parents down and we went and watched Greg Biffle, who just recently passed. I'm sure you've heard the news. And Cletus McFarland put on an awesome show for us.
Mr. Cletus McFarland!
And a couple weeks later, we ended up right back at Indy again for the start of the Hot Rod Power Tour, where me and my daughter took my 79 Firebird on the entire power tour, ending in Ohio, and I had to drive all the way back to Iowa to swap out kids and swap out stuff in the car, and we went on 6 summer with this car also. So after a 2-week vacation in June, driving around in my car, we managed to plan a few more trips after that and ended up on the Woodward Dream Cruise. I ended up building a 48 Chevy to take on the Rat Rod Tour and went to Ratstock, as well as going down to the Smoky Mountains in October for 6 Smokies with a drag and drive event where we got to cruise my car around the Smoky Mountains for a week. So this year has been action-packed with tons of car adventure, and yeah, it's hard to believe that it's over. However, with that, 2026 is going to be an awesome year. My oldest daughter is actually getting married, and I've decided to change a lot of things in my life. Instead of having more projects than I have time for, I actually enjoy driving the cars more than I do working on them. So my 1940s are getting sold. I already sold off my Mercury the other day, and I have a guy coming today to pick up this 40 Ford that I had planned on making my car for next year. I definitely love the 1940s. I like my 48 Chevy, but I really enjoy driving my Firebird, and I have 2 other Firebirds and a Camaro that all need some work, and I'm going to focus on those for the next year. And I can always find some other cars to buy back and build some other rat rods later on. My 65 Catalina that I've owned since I was 17 is currently sitting in a car trailer, unfinished. Mechanically, I rebuilt the whole car and just never got around to doing the final touches and doing the body work. So I'm definitely focused on those cars rather than starting an entire new project. With my daughter's wedding next year, I need to kind of have my area cleaned up and stop looking like a hoarder. For 2026, I'm sure a lot of you know already that Route 66 turns 100, and it seems like every single car show has a plan to do some kind of a tour on Route 66. There's the Hot Rod Power Tour, there's Drag Week, 666 for Sick the Mag is bringing back a drag and drive. The Ratstock Tour is coming from Arizona to Langley, Illinois. So there's going to be a lot of chances to go out on the actual mother road. I'm not sure exactly which car I'm going to have done or take again. I might end up just driving the Firebird for another year. I definitely have some front end work that I need to do to it, but we also have a few other projects that I want to get finished. For the most part, I want to drive and enjoy life rather than get stuck in the garage working on cars. So with that, I'm no longer retired. I actually decided that Kurt's Auto is pretty much over. I don't enjoy working on cars anymore. I did it for a quarter century. It paid the bills, but it definitely never got me ahead. I've decided that I'm going to take a job to try and supplement the money that I need to stick into some of my projects. My goal as far as right now goes is to try and get the YouTube channel to actually be a profitable thing, and that hasn't happened in the last 2 years. I definitely understand a lot more about what I need to do to make a good video. Just haven't been able to quite do it yet. So hopefully 2026 is the year, but the job that I took has got some flexibility and I should be able to do several of my trips still, as I'm only working I'm considered part-time, so I don't get all the benefits, but I also don't have all the responsibilities of being a full-time employee. So I definitely have some trips planned for next year with my kids. Route 66, we'll definitely be traveling on. Power Tour, I haven't missed since 2017, so more than likely we'll do the Hot Rod Power Tour. And I don't know, 6 Summer is already sold out for the racing. I've like that. There's no chance of getting into that at all. But I can definitely do the Sick Ward again and do Sick Summer as well. So they're on the separate weeks again this year, which is nice. We'll just have to kind of wait and see what happens with that. But the goal for the channel is going to be a lot more traveling and car show type events rather than fixing cars. I no longer have a shop that I can commercially work out of. I no longer want to charge people money to fix their cars because it just is not something that's fun to me. I no longer want to do that for a living. I'd rather just enjoy cars and try and do the YouTube thing. So that being said, I've got a bunch of stuff to get packed up and put together because the guy's coming to take the 40 away today. And I'll probably come back a little bit later on and finish this video up then. Well, I am definitely sad that I'm not going to actually get to finish this 40. I spent hours and hours looking at it and had determined the amount of money it was going to take to get this thing to where I wanted it just isn't in the budget right now. Well, that was the last work I'm going to do on the 40. I went ahead and I put the engine back in and bolted it up just so he could travel with it better. The guy already made one trip so far and he picked up the fenders, the hood, and all the other body parts, and he's coming back for the car. So we figure we'd at least put it together enough that we can use the engine as a brake. So I have the clutch and everything hooked up so we can put the car in gear and push the clutch in to get it to roll and then let the clutch out and use the engine to slow it down. So should make it easier for him to unload it. And I got a winch to pull it on his trailer, but kind of sad to see it go. At the same time, I have plenty more projects to keep me busy, and I will definitely have plenty to do. Well, the 1940 is left. Well, I hope you guys had as good of a 2025 as I did, and I hope you guys are as excited about 2026 as I am. I can't wait to share with you all of my adventures that I have planned for the next year. And like I said, I did sell a couple of my projects, but I still have a ton more to do. We have a Cadillac powered S10 that's still being, well, currently being stored and not worked on, which I definitely plan to get back on. My 65 Catalina, we're definitely going to get that one out on the road and driving. Whether it's completed or not, I want to drive the car. It's been sitting way too long. The Firebird, I almost got this thing into the 12 seconds again. It used to run a 12.4. The fastest I could get it to go this year was a 13.02. So I see a few more horsepower getting added to this engine and a little bit of weight coming off the front end. And we're going to be back in the 12-second range with this car. And I'd like to do some more drag racing. When I first opened my shop, my whole goal was kind of to build a performance shop and work on high-performance custom cars. That was kind of the thought I had. I quickly realized that the work that came in the door that paid the bills was general service for normal vehicles. It seemed like every time I tried building a performance or a custom car, I stuck a lot more time and money into it than I ever got back out of it from the customer. Now that I don't have to worry about having the overhead of a shop and I have a job that can supply me with income, I'm going to focus on working on some performance cars where I don't have to try and make money and I can just enjoy them when they're done. So 2026 is going to be a blast. I really hope you guys hit that subscribe button and give me a like, and yeah, join me for the next year.